These days, every time you scroll through social media, there's some new kitchen gadget popping up. But with so many options, how do you even decide which one is actually worth buying? Don't worry, I've done the digging for you and found the most useful kitchen gadgets that are not only trending, but are about to take over every home in 2025. Clip-on strainer. Heavy strainers are out. This clip-on strainer clips directly onto your pot. Drain pasta or rice with one hand and zero spills. It saves on cleanup and storage space. Simple, smart, and surprisingly satisfying to use. Refrigerator egg drawer. If your eggs are always rolling around or stacked awkwardly, this egg drawer slides right into your fridge and holds your eggs safely and neatly. It looks cool, saves space, and makes grabbing eggs super convenient. Glass spice jar set. Say goodbye to mismatched plastic jars. These sleek glass spice containers with minimalist labels will make your kitchen look modern, sorted, and Pinterest-worthy. Plus, no more wasting time hunting for the right spice. Everything's labeled and within reach. Bamboo handle dish brush. Ditch that old dirty sponge and upgrade to this eco-friendly bamboo brush. It's tough on grime but gentle on your dishes. And let's be honest, it looks so aesthetic next to your sink. No more scratched plates or gross nail moments. Twist Whisk. This uniquely designed whisk makes mixing batters, creams quick and effortless. Its twisting action gets everything evenly mixed in seconds, and you barely need any wrist power. Lollipop Ice Cream Mold. Create fun-shaped, healthy lollipop-style ice creams at home. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, this mold is a summer essential and a total hit with kids. And adults who pretend it's for the kids. 6-in-1 compact kitchen gadget set. This little powerhouse combines a peeler, grater, slicer, pizza cutter, bottle opener, and even a vanilla pod scraper all in one compact tool. It's space-saving, efficient, and ideal for small kitchens. Trust me, once you get this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Cupcake Maker. Make 6 cupcakes at once with this non-stick wonder. No need to preheat ovens or deal with messy trays. Just pour the batter, close the lid, and get fluffy cupcakes in 5 minutes. Perfect for kids' parties or midnight sweet cravings. Handheld Mandolin Slicer. This slicer comes with a protective food holder and adjustable thickness settings. The stainless steel blade is razor sharp, and yes, it's way safer than those old clunky ones your mom used. Precise slicing with no finger accidents. If you love these gadgets, then like and subscribe. Lattice Pastry Roller. Create bakery-style lattice patterns on your pies and tarts effortlessly. This roller is back in trend, and honestly, it adds that extra touch of wow to your baked goods. Get ready for Instagram-worthy desserts. Piezano 17-inch crust pizza oven. This countertop pizza oven gives you that authentic, crispy crust, just like a restaurant, in under 6 minutes. Ideal for 12-inch pizzas, and perfect for pizza nights or weekend baking sprees. Spaghetti portion measurer. Always cooking too much or too little spaghetti? This measuring tool gives you the exact portions based on how many people you're feeding. No more guessing and wasting food. Table grill raclette style. Host the ultimate indoor barbecue experience with this 8-person electric table grill. Grill paneer, veggies, or meat live on your dining table while chatting and eating together. Total crowd pleaser. Cold beverage dispenser with faucet. Perfect for guests and kids. This faucet-style drink dispenser lets everyone pour their own soda or juice. No heavy bottles needed. Looks great and keeps your drink station organized. Dutch oven pot. Slow cooking never looked this stylish. This Dutch oven evenly distributes heat, making it ideal for stews, works on all stoves, and lasts for decades. A timeless classic. Strainer scoop colander. Looks like a giant spoon, works like a charm. This multi-use strainer scoop helps you lift, drain, and serve anything, pasta or boiled eggs, without spills or mess. Lazy Susan 360 rotating tray. Level up your table serving with a 360-degree rotating tray. Whether it's sauces, desserts, or snacks, everyone can reach what they want without passing dishes around. Bonus, it's heat-resistant and non-slip. Pizza Peel Spatula. No more fumbling when sliding your pizza in or out of the oven. This non-stick pizza spatula makes the whole process smooth and mess-free, essential for pizza nights. So ladies and gentlemen, these were the viral kitchen gadgets of 2025 that are not only trending, but actually useful. Whether you want to cook smarter, entertain better, or just make life easier, there's something in here for everyone. Tell me in the comments which gadget you're ordering first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because honestly, these gadgets deserve all the hype. Thanks for watching and